So here's how to dropship Temu items. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. Before you start dropshipping, research popular products and trends in your target market. Focus on finding products that have good demand and are suitable for dropshipping. To start dropshipping on Temu, you have to first create your Temu account. Check their terms and conditions, seller policies, and fees to understand how the platform operates. After that, you have to find reliable suppliers. As a dropshipper, you won't hold inventory. Instead, you rely on suppliers to fulfill orders. Look for reputable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Obrello, or the dropshipping directories. Ensure that they have a good track record of shipping products promptly and providing quality items. Now explore whether Temu has any inbuilt integration with dropshipping tools or if it supports third-party apps extensions that can facilitate dropshipping. These tools can help streamline orders processing and inventory management. Determine the pricing strategy for your products. Take into account the product's cost, shipping fees, and your desired profit margin. Be competitive while ensuring your pricing covers all expenses. After that, list your products on Temu with appealing images, engaging products descriptions, and clear pricing information. Considering optimizing your listing for search engines within the platform. Keep track of your suppliers' inventory to avoid selling products that are out of stock. Many dropshipping tools offer inventory syncing to automate this process. Be prepared to handle customer inquiries, return, and any issues related to orders. Excellent customer service is crucial for successful dropshipping business. Remember, the success of your dropshipping business depends on factors like product selection, marketing efforts, and customer service. So that's how to dropship items on Temu.